What's going on, y'all? This is Josh from Drive the Coast. We got a special car in today, something that we don't normally see in inventory, but this is an actual Shelby American 1965 Shelby 427 Cobra. This is the CSX Continuation Series. It's a 6000 series car, and original 427 side oiler. This car has 120 miles on it from factory. One owner car, absolutely gorgeous condition. It's a brand new car. Motor hasn't really even been broke in yet. The owner has stated that he's kept the RPMs under 4,000. Got to do that for the first 500 miles, break it in. But absolutely gorgeous car. Knockoff wheels. A lot of meat in the back. You got 295, 50 R15s in the back. Obviously side pipes. Paint is in perfect condition. Has a lot of the updates. Obviously the original 1965 would not have had. Got rack and pinion steering. Let's take a look under the hood here. We'll fire this up here. See how big all that tubing is for the frame. See your rack and pinion down there. Beautiful 427. Wanted to just point out, and it's in the photos on our website, but there is the CSX VIN number. It's going to be for the Continuation Series. So this is not a Factory 5. This is not a Superformance. This is not a Backdraft. It's real Shelby. I know y'all want to hear it run, so we're gonna. Obviously, missing seatbelts as it would have had. After 120 miles, only starts in neutral. This is Shelby gauges, electric fuel pump. Hard to beat it. Shelby windshield. It's that original Shelby product. If y'all have any further questions, we do have financing available from Collector Car Lending. If we can help you with that, please reach out to our staff. We're happy to help you. Also have worldwide shipping. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. We also have an exquisite inventory of lots of other muscle cars, hot rods, as well as golf carts. We ship those nationwide, worldwide. Let me know how I can earn your business.